Hi teacher and classmates. My name is Carlos Julio Duarte Alvarez. I am from Suata, Boyacá. Service status, free union. Place of residence. I currently live in the city of Bogotá, in the Bolivar City neighborhood. Occupation. I work in the police and I work as man of protection. I am also studying public accounting and the military university. Workplace in Bogotá in the direction of protection and special service. My family group is composed by my mother and my 6 brothers. My students. Technician in police service. Graduate in model and leadership. Corps protection to people. Expectation on for profession. Participate in conference. In proposals in the account of the police. The jobs dividends. Improve economic income respective profession latex. Thank you.